Because I think you've already said that you're pushing for Senator Risa Ontiveros for president.
Yes, I am pushing for Senator Risa based on her qualifications tsaka yung strength of character niya. Ngayon, ano yan magdedepende yan sa circumstances by next year. Kung ano itsura, di ba? Will Sara Duterte survive the impeachment? If she survives the impeachment, ano nang itsura ng numero niya by then? Will that cause an opening of the field? Papalit ba si Baste? So, meron bang admin candidate na lalabas? So, marami pang variables.
There's a lot of movements
Yes.
still.
Yeah.
It's still, well, the elections are still 2 years from now, but lots can happen. Just a thought on that, sir. How confident are you that she will be impeached in the House? And a follow-up, how confident are you that it will be confirmed by the Senate, sir?
Oh. Okay, ang attitude ko po dyan is we will take it one day at a time. One step or one milestone at a time. So ito, nalabas na ito. Next step nito is yung decision ng committee. The next, yung transmission. Pagdating sa Senado, presentation ng evidence. Ako naman, ang having been there before as a senator judge, malawak ang konsiderasyon ng mga senator judges. The legal question, evidence-based. So meron bang ebidensya? Next is the political question. Ano ba ang pulso ng taong bayan? Okay? Pangatlo is the policy question. Ikabubuti ba ng bansa na matanggal sa pwesto si Sara Duterte o hindi? Yan yung mga konsiderasyon. And I'm confident na the senator judges will see the light and convict her in the end.
What about political survival, sir? How much would that play in if it makes it to the Senate?
Alam niyo po yung mga instincts ng mga senador na nandiyan dyan, yung political instincts sila, very sharp yan. Alam nila when it's time to jump ship, when it's time to kumbaga, hold the line or eventually just fence it. Alam nila yan. And palagay ko, pag pag nasinghot nila that the ship of Sara Duterte is about to sink, mabilis magtalunan yan.